Hello, ma'am and sir. Good day. My name is Maria Gracia Garcia, 35 years old, and I have three kids, two boys and one girl. My eldest is 17 and 11 years old, and my youngest is girl, 5 years old. And I have experience in Amman, Jordan for 2 years and 2 months, finished contract since February 15, 2016 till April 17, 2018. I serve for three people, and my duties there: cooking, ironing, laundry, and gardening. And also in Hong Kong, I have experience in Happy Valley for 2 years, finished contract. I serve for two elderly. My duties there: gardening, car wash, laundry, ironing, and household chores. And since September 2018 to September 2020. And also, I have experience for 2 years in Fortress Hill since I serve for four people, one elderly, one couple, and newborn. My duties there: taking care of newborn, laundry, ironing, and cleaning, and also taking care of newborn. And since September 21, 2020 to September 17, 2022. And my current employer now here, Lois Park, for 19 months. My sir terminated me for no reason because I have coworker there longest for raised to the boy. And suddenly, she terminated me for 19 months, and I go back to the Philippines now. I'm here in the Philippines. My duties there: cooking, cleaning, ironing, and grocery. I go to the wet market also and send the food for the boy in the school. And I hope you give me a chance to serve to your good family, ma'am and sir. And I'm trustworthy person, God-fearing, honest, and loyal. Please give me a chance, ma'am, and thank you again. Have a good day. Thank you.